Hi, good day, Ma'am Janessa. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Janessa Tetrias, 42 years old, married with two beautiful daughters. One is 19 years old and the other one is 16 years old. I am secondary graduate and I live in 29 Champaka Street, Rojas District, Quezon City. I have six brothers and one sister, and I am the second in the family. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Then how would you describe yourself?
I always take initiative. Um, I am cheerful, uh, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I can work under pressure with less supervision. I can do multitask and can follow my employer's instruction. I am very passionate about cooking. I do cooking at home. As a mother, I am loving and patient to my children. Uh, I teach them to always be respectful and kind all the time.
All right, thank you. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to fly abroad to gain more experience. Working internationally can develop my skill and can provide financial stability for my family.
All right. Then do you have any work experience abroad?
I don't have experience internationally, but I do have work experience here in the Philippines as housemaid for 2 years, wherein I do cooking and cleaning the house. I also have an experience as a nanny to 3 months old baby. My duties are taking good care of the baby, feeding, bathing, changing diaper, and attending baby when crying.
All right. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I am very willing.
All right. Then how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I will be attentive. Uh, I will talk to them in patient and calm and compassionate manner. I encourage them by playing, drawing, reading books and stories to divert their attention.
Okay, then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will check maybe she or he needs to change diaper or maybe the baby is hungry. And if the baby is sick, I will inform my employer immediately.
All right. Then what will you do if you become homesick?
If I am homesick, I will keep myself busy at work. I will focus on my chores and attend my employer's needs.
Okay.
I promise I will finish my 2 years contract or extend it if needed or if my employers need my service.
All right. Then are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am, I am scared and I'm prepared not to take care of pet abroad.
Okay. Then how do you describe your cooking skills?
Cooking is my passion and I love to learn and explore new dishes.
Okay. Then do you have any food allergy?
Uh, no, ma'am, I don't have.
All right. Then do you eat everything?
Yes, I can eat anything.
Okay. Then do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes,
Okay. Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
yes,
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Then do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No po.
All right. Do you have any body tattoo?
None, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
None, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, I'm willing.
All right. Then are you willing to wake up very early in the morning, sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
All right. Then are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then for the last question, Ma'am Janessa, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Janessa Titrias, 42 years of age. I am I want to work abroad to support my family's financial needs. I am cheerful, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking person. I will do my best to follow your rule. I promise I will finish my 2 years contract. I am willing to learn your native dishes and learn how to speak your native language. I promise to give you my best of ability to serve your family and treat them as my own. I will treat your children with tender, loving care. Ma'am, sir, I hope you will choose me as your housemaid. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.